Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Muridke. Dear students, this is our lesson number 15. In this lesson, we will discuss the manufacturing of alcohols. Alcohols can be prepared by using two processes. First one is the hydration of ethene. This is basically the chemical property of ethene, and fermentation of carbohydrates like glucose. This is the process being used since ages. Manufacturing of ethanol from ethene. Ethanol is manufactured by the catalytic addition of steam to ethene. The mixture of ethene and steam is passed through phosphoric acid at 300 degrees Celsius and 60 atmospheric pressure. These are basically the conditions required for the catalytic addition of steam to ethene. That is, we require phosphoric acid as a catalyst and a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and at a pressure of 60 atmospheres. The equation for the reaction between ethene and steam is: ethene reacts with steam in the presence of phosphoric acid, 300 degrees Celsius temperature and 60 atmospheres pressure. It converts into ethanol. CH2 double bond CH2 reacts with steam and it produces CH3CH2OH, which is ethanol. Manufacturing of alcohols by the process of fermentation. To most people, alcohol refers to beverages like wine and beer. Actually, such drinks contain ethanol. To produce ethanol, we ferment fruits, vegetables or grains, which contains glucose. Fermentation is a chemical process in which microorganisms such as yeast act on carbohydrates to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. Sugars and starch are examples of carbohydrates. Yeast contain enzymes which are biological catalysts which cause starch or sugars to break down to glucose. The glucose is then broken down to ethanol and carbon dioxide. Here is the diagram for fermentation. The apparatus used for fermentation in the laboratory: a glucose solution is mixed with yeast and the mixture is kept at a temperature of about 37 degrees Celsius. Ethanol and carbon dioxide are produced after a few days. The fermentation, carbon dioxide is produced, hence frothing, formation of foam can be observed in the flask. A white precipitate can be also observed to form in the lime water. Fermentation can only take place in the absence of oxygen. That is, fermentation is basically an aerobic process. Hence, the apparatus needs to be airtight. This is ensured by the following precautions. The rubber bung is secured tightly to the flask. The lime water in the test tube prevents air from entering the apparatus. The enzymes in yeast work best at around 37 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is raised beyond 37 degrees Celsius, the enzymes will die and the fermentation stops. The fermentation of sugars produces only a dilute solution of ethanol, which is up to 15%. This is because when the alcohol contents exceed this value, the yeast dies and enzyme activity stops, which stops fermentation. Ethanol can be obtained from this liquid mixture by fractional distillation. In Brazil, ethanol is manufactured by the fermentation of cane sugar. During fermentation, the sucrose in the cane sugar is first converted to glucose and then to ethanol and carbon dioxide. This ethanol is used as a fuel in cars in Brazil. What happens if alcoholic drinks are left exposed to air? Dear students, if an alcoholic drink such as wine or beer is left exposed to air, it will turn sour after a few days. This is caused by the action of bacteria from the air. Using oxygen from the air, the bacteria oxidizes ethanol into ethanoic acid. This oxygen converts ethanol into ethanoic acid and water. It is therefore important that wine is kept tightly corked. This is also the reason why, when we are fermenting sugars to produce alcohol, it is important to ensure that fermentation takes place in the absence of air. Otherwise, the alcohol will be oxidized to form an acid called carboxylic acid or ethanoic acid. Uses of alcohol. Ethanol is used in the following ways in alcoholic drinks: as a solvent and as a fuel. In alcoholic drinks, large quantities of ethanol are used in alcoholic drinks. Table 24.3 shows the amounts of alcohol in various drinks. Alcohol is a drug. Drinking alcohol can be addictive and can cause serious health problems such as damage to liver and kidneys, coma, or even death. As a solvent, ethanol is a good solvent. It dissolves many substances that are not suitable in water. It also evaporates quickly. Hence, it is used in paints, varnishes, deodorants, perfumes, colognes, and aftershave lotions. Shellac dissolved in ethanol is used as a liquid polish. And as a fuel, ethanol can be used as a fuel and is the main constituent of methylated spirit. Methylated spirit contains 85% ethanol, 5% methanol, and 10% water. Methanol is added to make it unsuitable for drinking. This process is called denaturing. Methylated spirit is used in spirit lamps and burners for cooking. For household use, a purple or blue dye is also added to methylated spirit so that it is not confused with other liquids. In Brazil, ethanol is mixed with petrol and used as a fuel to run motor vehicles. Dear students, your assignment is read the topic from notes and chemistry matters. Solve questions related to alcohols from worksheets being provided to you earlier. I thank you all.